Never say never, because I'm breaking my own 5 ingredient maximum rule. I almost never bake cookies, but when I saw these cowboy cookies, it's so interesting. I wanted to try it too. I decided to make these cowboy cookies gluten free, and before I knew it, I had way too many ingredients, but they turned out nicely. So if I can manage this with my non-experience, then so can you. So start by adding all the wet ingredients: butter, sugar and egg. I decided to do it by hand, but of course you can use some machinery. I almost never bake cookies. So to try and bake my first cowboy cookies in an extra large size and gluten-free was scary, but they turned out nicely. I used buckwheat flour and old-fashioned oats. Add the dry parts, add the filling. I used lots of coconut flakes, chocolate chips, pecan and dried cherries. The result is phenomenal. There are lots of ingredients involved, but hey, cowboys need to eat too. Make 8 to 10 dough balls if you want giant cowboy cookies like I did. I left them in the fridge for 2 hours to make sure that the cookies would be thick. After only 20 minutes in the oven, they were nice and chewy and soft. If you let them cool down, then they will be firm and but still soft and very nice. Thanks for watching and enjoy the process.